Buffet. We so hungry, guess where we're going? Kakain po kami sa Sakura. Another buffet. So it means all you can eat. So are you guys ready to eat?
Oh, you're recording?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we can go now?
Yeah, you guys can go now.
I don't want to go because you're going to record this.
No. Look
Like
at that. Ant don't care. He does. So, nandito kami sa Sakura Buffet. All you can eat. My favorite place to be. This one is more Oriental food. Iba yung buffet sa Golden Corral where we went the last time because those are like fried chicken, steak, spaghetti, pizza. This one is more Oriental. Like
everything.
pizza. Ano yan? Pansit. There's salmon fish. I love this bread. This one is so good. So I got my bread and then I'm getting some fish. Hindi ko kaya pag hawak ng garlic bread, chicken, more fish, grilled tilapia. Barbecue ribs and veggies. Love the veggies. Gotta love the veggies. Over here we got soup, wonton soup, egg crab soup, and sweet and sour for these, sweet and sour chicken, sweet and sour sauce, cheesy spinach, and baked crab meat. I'm getting both of these. I don't know what that is, but that looks good. Babalikan ko itong mga to kasi isang plato muna ako. There's honey chicken, black pepper chicken, kung pao chicken, maanghang yan, and chicken broccoli. That looks good. Over here we have our vegetable fried rice, vegetable lo mein, seafood alfredo. I'm getting that. Teriyaki chicken and some crawfish. Look at that. French fries, sesame chicken, sugar donuts, chicken on a stick, pan-fried dumpling, fried shrimp. Ito po is an aisle where you can pick anything that's in here. There's mushrooms, mga vegetables, then there's crab meat, scallops, eggs, chicken, and beef. Tapos dito nila lulutuin. This is where you give the guy your food and they cook it here. Dito na nila lulutuin yung mga yan. Okay, dito naman is all where you can get your sushi. I love this orange one. I love the green one too, but I like this better. Different kinds of sushi. Sarap po. my plate. It's messy. I only got one this time, but I'd probably go for seconds or third because this one is just to taste how these taste. Like, oh, gutom yun. Right? This one looks good. I might come back for French fries. Chicken. Shows you less of crawfish, but honestly, I don't even know how to eat this. So I pass. This one is super, super good, mga kaibigan. Talagang masarap to. This one's a seafood Alfredo. Meron akong hinahanap. That one's spicy. Black pepper chicken. There. I love honey walnut. Shrimp honey walnut. This one's called honey chicken. I want to try it. Here. This one I think is a dessert. I'm not sure, but it looks good. It has chili inside. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ako kasi I was going through the videos and I can't even hear myself. So, baka mag-voice over na lang ako. Kasi maingay din dito eh. Loud everywhere. Look at this. Jello. My favorite. Pudding, fruits, pineapple, mandarin, peach, banana with sweet syrup, melon, pineapple, oranges, desserts. Look at that. That's so good. Over here we have cold shrimp, cold scallops, cold crawfish. I guess it's for a salad. There's lemon, vegetables over here. I ate some of these. I'm gonna eat and try how theirs is. This is banana pudding. Mahirap talaga. This is what I do, like after eating. Kuha po tayo ng fruits. It really works kapag after a big meal, kumain ka ng fruits. It actually makes your stomach loosen up, or I don't know, it just does something to me. Banana with syrup. It actually calms my stomach down from being super full. It relaxes your stomach. Baka ako lang, but every time you just got through eating a really big meal, it's always nice to follow it up with fruits like this. I don't really get much. I just get what I think I can finish or eat. Our fortune cookie, so everybody needs to read our fortune. Which one's yours? Pick one.
Any, mini, miny, mo. I want that one. Take the one farthest from you. I want that one.
You need to get it.
Take the one farthest from you.
Okay, now. Okay, now that's mine.
I hate it.
What's your fortune? You have to read it.
No one has a good enough memory to make a successful liar. Call me a liar.
Your fortune told you
No one has a good enough memory to make a successful liar.
So your fortune's calling you a liar, dude.
And I have bad memory.
What's yours?
How about another fortune, Brad?
No, turn it around.
Oh.
You wish.
Success is usually the fruit of patience. It's usually fruit of what?
Success
Fruit of
is...
patience. Yeah. Oh. It's
Wow.
usually the fruit of patience. I am not patient, bro. Who calling us out?
This is mine. Oh wait. New people will bring you new realizations, especially big issues. Wow. So, busog na busog po kami lahat. Look at those happy face. That one don't wanna look. Uwi na kami. Thank you. Thank you sa Sakura Buffet. They were awesome.
We paid something like we were sponsored or something. Don't thank them.
Few moments later.
Okay, so this is where we end the video. Everybody's full.